So yes guys, Chef Ricardo, first Jamaican chef to receive a gold play button from YouTube.
Now, before I even pull the box or anything, Chef Andre, big up yourself.
And guys, I want you to help me to congratulate him, okay guys?
It is breaking news. Okay? And if I even have two-person watching the video, I'm still gonna do the video tonight. Okay?
We all know this is not an easy task.
Now, I received my gold play button, and I thank God.
And Chef Ricardo, I want to say that you more than deserve this kind of award.
Okay? Big up to every one of my subscribers and all of you guys who take the time and support Chef Ricardo.
Your hard work has paid off and continue to do the amazing job that you do.
Explain to you guys that, the way I feel, and it feels so nice